Hi there. If you're a real estate agent who wants to centralize all aspects of your life and business in one place, I made this template for you. This template is on Notion and it is made for real estate agents who want to organize everything in one central location. So today I wanted to show you the habit tracker that I've created within this template. So we all know that small habits implemented consistently over a long period of time is what gets us results, right? So this habit tracker is meant to keep you accountable and remind you of all of the daily habits that you want to be practicing every single day. So the first portion in the habit tracker here is to look at what habits you want to practice on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, and on a yearly basis. And I've created this really just as a nice visual display of those habits so that you can go in there and remind yourself what are those habits that I should be doing on a consistent basis every week, every month, and every year, right? So these are just examples. You want to personalize this obviously for your own life and your own habits. Now, the really cool part that I wanted to show you guys today is the daily habit tracker. So here I have every habit that I want to practice on a daily basis. And you need to go and edit these here, right? So each column represents one of your habits. And just as an example, I'm going to add a habit here, which is create content, right? We all want to create good social media content as realtors. So I'm going to put a little emoji here because it's fun. And I find it so cool that you can personalize these things on Notion. So create content is going to be another habit that I want to practice on a daily basis. What I want to show you is something super cool. Now, when I go into my main page, I'm going to scroll down here. So this main page is meant to be an overview of what you should be focusing on today, right? So I have my daily follow-ups. I have a little calendar here to remind me of what day it is. I have today's tasks. I have my active listings. So these are all things that I want to be looking at on a daily basis. I have a bird's eye view of what's going on in my business at any given time. So I have also created a little window here which says daily habits. This will populate with those habits that we created within the habit tracker, and it will only show today's date. So the way that I've done this is properties shown. So I want to be showing all of these properties, including the one that I just created. I'm just going to move my face here a little bit. So this is how you show them or hide them from this view, right? So add your habit number 3, add your habit number 2, create content. That's the one that I just added. If these were hidden, they would not show up here at all. But I want those new habits to show. And when you create your own habit tracker, you will want to have this visible. So just click on the little eye here. You will have all of your habits there ready to be checked off by yourself within the day. Next, what I want to show you is that there is a filter on this view that has a rule where today, the date is today. So this small little view here will only show you today's entry. It will not show you the entries of all the previous days where you've checked off all your habits. It will only show you that little window for today. Now let me go back and show you how we can have this little window populate with a new checklist every single day without us having to do anything. Okay, so I'm going back here. I could simply create a new entry every day and the date will populate and all of my checkboxes will show up. However, I don't want to have to do that. I want it to be automatic. I want every day to populate with a brand new checklist on my main page. So what I'm going to do here is, and this is something that you need to do if you purchase this template, which I'll link down below. So this is the default entry, right? So what I want to do is have this repeat. I want it to repeat every single day. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to turn it on. So repeat daily every one day. And I want to start it at midnight. You're going to put in your own time zone here so that it pops up at midnight every day in your time zone. And you'll see that the little repeat symbol is now blue. That means that it's been turned on. And now when you wake up tomorrow morning, you'll have a brand new checklist in your main page ready for you to check off and get those habits done, because that's how you're going to get things done over time, and build success for yourself. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Feel free to check out some more of my videos and message me or comment if you have any questions at all. I'm always happy to connect. See you next time.